Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is actually one that I've been wanting to film for a while now. If you know me, then you know that I love taking care of my skin and getting a good facial. So today I'm gonna take you guys along to get a facial with me. We're here in El Paso, Texas, staying at the Stanton House Hotel, and they have a spa here. It's called the Blush Spa and Boutique, I think. And so when I found out this place has a spa, you know, I had to jump on the opportunity and book a facial. I've been getting facials done for the last, I would say, 4 years. And honestly, to me, it helps my skin so much. I'm very much so acne prone. I used to have really, really bad cystic acne until about, I would say 2 years ago. And so I think just staying consistent with my facial appointments has really helped. And as you can see right now, I just woke up and I haven't touched my face, but I'm not really breaking out anywhere like crazy. That's kind of a dry spot right here. But besides that, they're just kind of like dark spots. And this makes sense for me to not really be breaking out right now because I'm about to start my period in a couple of days. I also think I have like hormonal acne, obviously, just because it kind of goes with how my cycle goes every month. So yeah. Also, I'm going to get the Blush Custom Organic Facial with Dermaplane added on. Anyways, that's enough of my rambling. Let's go and get this facial. Super excited. Can't wait to just sit back, relax, take a moment for myself. Self-care is so important. So that's what we're about to do.
What dermaplaning is doing is it's doing two things. So it's taking off the vellus hair, which is what people refer to as like peach fuzz, but then it's also taking off the first layer of dead cells, which you'll see will appear kind of like the snow-like consistency.
Okay.
And so it is a form of exfoliation, thus allowing your products to penetrate deeper and work better because it's actually penetrating into the living layer of your skin, not having to fight through the dead cells that are sitting on the epidermis. Right here, wow. This is going to be more like your dead cells, and then this fluff right here, this is the vellus hair.
Got it. Oh wow.
So this is a clear skin probiotic cleanser, great for more acne prone skin. Purifying essence. This is amazing for restoring hydration to the skin. It's also great for calming inflammation. It's going to allow all of the products that you put on afterwards to penetrate a lot better. is a rose hip and my ease exfoliating mask. Great for oily skin, also great for sensitive skin that's prone to blackheads. What I like about this one is that you can leave it on and it will dual as a mask. You may feel a slight tingle. We're going to be leaving this on for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Do you feel a little tingle?
I do.
A scale of 1 to 10, where would you be at?
Like a 5.
Okay, good. That's exactly where we'd like to stay. This is a clear skin probiotic mask. So I'm gonna pick up some notes of that tea tree cucumber. It has a very cooling feeling, but I think that this mask is great to put on at night and sleep in it.
Okay.
So instead of putting on a night cream, you would just switch out your night cream
with this
for the mask. Yep, and put it on. Let it soak in overnight. Okay, so while that's on, I'm gonna do a foot and leg massage from the knee down. Okay?
Awesome. Okay.
Okay, so now with the redness and inflammation that you're experiencing, we're going to be using the corn flour recovery serum.
Okay.
Antibacterial, antimicrobial. We're going to be doing the clear skin probiotic moisturizer. And following this, I am going to be applying some sunscreen, which is the Lilikoi SPF 40.
Lovely.
It's a complete mineral-based SPF, but it also offers a blue light shield, which is going to help, especially if you're in front of technology. Everyone is wearing that in their eyewear, and this has actually worked it into the sunscreen. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you. Okay guys, so I am all done with the facial now. It was a custom organic facial, so I just told her all about my skin and had her just decide what she thought would be best. My hair looks kind of crazy right now, but as you can see, I have some redness going on where she had like dermaplaned. My skin is just really sensitive and so it just gets red, but the redness will come down definitely by tomorrow. But other than that, like, you guys see the glow? And I wish y'all could feel my skin right now. It just feels so smooth and fresh and like brand new. It's crazy, and I know I'm not supposed to touch my skin, but I can't help it. It's just so soft and crazy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications, and talk to me in the comments. I love when you guys comment on my YouTube videos. And yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.